In triangle ABC shown below, sine of C is equal to 2 over 3, and the length of AB is 6 inches. What is the length in inches of AC? There's a couple things you need to know to be able to solve this. First, you need to have your sine, cosine, and tangent proportions memorized. It's just opposite over hypotenuse for sine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. If that doesn't make any sense to you, I highly recommend that you go ahead and do our SOHCAHTOA lesson, which is very simple. You don't need to have any experience with SOHCAHTOA to be able to understand that lesson. But we're going to continue on as if you do understand that, and we will explain that all of the sine, cosine, tangent, it's just a proportion. And so they're giving us the proportion. So since they've told us sine C is equal to 2 over 3, that's just saying the opposite over the hypotenuse is proportional to 2 over 3. So that's all that we're going to do. We're going to set up our proportion and it's asking us for this in relationship to C, which means angle C. And so the opposite of angle C is going to be 6, which is going to be our numerator. And it's going to find our hypotenuse. So that's our unknown. But we know that it's going to be in this proportion. You could cross multiply and solve for x here, but there's also a faster way. Whenever you have a proportion set up, you can just multiply the numbers that are opposite each other, 6 and 3 here, and then divide by the other, which is 2, to get that x is going to be equal to 9, which is answer E.